Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. First, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s equal to 2 sine t, ds equal to 2 cosine t dt. So we put this one go in here, and this one go in here. ds we change for 2 cosine t dt, and this one we got about 4 sine t square. Similar for this one. The square root of number 4 you got about number 2. One minus sine t square we got about cosine t square, and you got about cosine t. We simplify 2 cosine t, you just got about 4 sine t square. Next, we have sine t square equals to 1 minus cosine 2t over 2. So we put this one go in here, and then we got about number 2 because 4 divided by 2. Now we got the final answer. The integral of number 1 is about t. The integral of cosine 2t you got about negative 1 over 2 sine 2t plus c. About t we got about s divided by 2, so we got about t equal to r sine of s over 2. So we put this one go in here and here. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.